Hi, Artemis Paint here. The rule of 4 is promoted by the poker gurus to determine the probability of hitting a flop draw by the river. You multiply the number of outs by 4, and this is taken as an approximate percentage of your chance of hitting your draw on the turn or river. As usual, the poker gurus have failed you. They've failed to provide you with an accurate method. In this video, I will give you a very simple method for getting your accuracy within around 1% of the exact percentage. Okay, so that we're all on the same page, this is the kind of scenario that I'm talking about. We're on the flop and the hijack has an open-ended straight draw and a flush draw. He has 15 outs to hit one or both of his draws. We want to be able to calculate the probability of hitting our outs by the river. We want a simple method for calculating these outs in our head in seconds over the poker table. So column 2 of this table shows the exact percentage of hitting your outs between the flop and the river. Column 3 shows the percentage obtained by using the rule of 4. As you can see, the method is accurate up to 8 outs. Beyond that, at 9 outs and above, the method starts to fall apart. For example, at 15 outs, the rule of 4 is 5.9% away from the exact percentage. Since we tend to consider going all in when we have 10 or more outs, this error rate is completely unacceptable. Ideally, we want to be within 1% of the exact percentage. The Artemis adjustment is a name I've given to the rule of 3 plus 9. As you can see, the error rates are extremely close to the exact percentages using the rule of 3 plus 9. So to make it clear, you should use the rule of 4 up to 9 outs. The rule of 3 plus 9 doesn't work between 2 and 8 outs. At 9 outs, the rule of 3 plus 9 gets the same result as the rule of 4. Above 9 outs, the rule of 3 plus 9 is superior to the rule of 4. We shouldn't be too worried about the very high number of outs, that's like 19 and 20 outs. I mean, you'll only know if you have 20 outs on the flop if you're some kind of master hand reader or you've had a peek at your opponent's hand. However, the numbers between 9 and 15 outs are important because these are the kinds of numbers of outs that we might consider shoving with. So let's look at the rule of 3 plus 9 calculation. The magic number is 9. The calculation involves 2 simple steps. The first step is to multiply the number of outs by 3. The second step is to add 9 to this result. So the example here uses 15 outs. So step 1, you multiply 15 by 3 and that gives you 45. Step 2, you add 9 to 45 and that gives you 54. As you can see, this is the result that you get in the table, and it's extremely close to the exact percentage. And you can try this for all numbers of outs between 9 and 20. So you can use the rule of 4 for up to 8 outs, and the rule of 3 plus 9 for 9 outs and above. If you remember that the magic number is 9, you can just minus 1 for the 9 outs, and you will have well, you minus 1 for the result of using either method for 9 outs, and you will have all the calculations between 2 and 18 outs with less than 1% error. So that's all for this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one.